Hello, this is EZ and welcome to Topogun Learning Course. In this learning course, I will be using Topogun 2.0 beta. Alright, now different versions and different builds, things may change, okay? With that said, if I'm showing you something now, maybe later it might change. But being the new beta, there probably ain't going to be a whole lot of changes, so you don't have to worry in that area. Another thing is, I'm one of the first beta testers for Topogun. I do have pretty good knowledge, and I have made mistakes in my life. I'm only human, so if I make a mistake, forgive me. Alright, this is what this does. It's a live learning course. What you'll be doing is you'll be clicking a menu, or you'll be clicking some buttons, or you'll be clicking some icons in the tool panel to play a video. Alright, and it's like live simulation. If I wanted to know what the load scene does, I would just click this and it would play a video. These are a lot better than to basically, I think, to watch a learning course and you got to, let's say, hey, what did load scene do? And I forgot, and I got to go digging through all the videos to see what it does. Well, with this live learning course, you just click it and it's going to take you right to that video and get you, understanding that area that you want to understand a little bit better. Alright, now I'm going to offer a demo version. It's going to be try before you buy. Alright, I'm going to have 3 options that you can click. It's going to be the load scene, it's going to be the load reference, and the interface and customization. Alright, you can click these and try them and download them to make sure they're going to work for you. Alright, now before I click this load scene here, we'll take a look up here. This is the full version, and when I click this, it's going to take me to another page. As you can see, the page changed up here. Now I prohibit to download any of these pages, okay, and I have a reason for that. Now there's a video that's going to play automatically when you come to this page. I got it disabled for right now for this little demonstration. Now that video that's playing right now, that video is called a M4V. I don't offer any support on how to download it, but if you want to download it, you can. Now what I do offer is these WMV videos. Alright, you can click these and it'll play, or you can right click and save it. These are WMV videos with the codec 9 in there. Alright, and it's best for you to download these and try them to make sure that they're all going to work for you. And I will offer a zip file where you can download all of them at once or one at a time. So if I was to click here, it's going to take me to a different page. Then you can download this video for this section right here. Now these videos are very good quality, so you don't have to worry about that. Now if you want to go back to the main page, we just move our cursor over to the right, and it'll turn into a hand. It'll say back to the main page, and it'll bring us back to the main page here. Alright, let's go ahead and go into the next step here. Alright, now we do got Topogun loaded up here. I'm going to go through pretty much everything on this interface. Alright, there's a lot of information in these menus up here. Alright, and a lot of these menus here have the same information that's on these buttons, so I'm going to be going over it twice. Alright, but with that said, is these menus, let's take a look here. Quite a bit right here, so I'll be going over these quite quickly and give you maybe one quick demonstration, move on, because the video is going to get really long. Because anyway, I'm going to end up showing you again through a button on the interface. Alright, and since these are going to be short, I'll probably end up giving you a demonstration and maybe a little extra tip with it. Now under the bake here, this is probably one area I won't go over a whole lot in, but in this part here called generate maps, because there is so much information right here. If I was to go over every single little detail, it might confuse you and it might bore you at the same time. I'm going to get you up and running, and that's what this learning course is, and be able to give you demonstration, and then give you a general idea. Alright, but pretty much everything else I'm just going to go ahead and go over it. Okay, and you'll be having these menus up here that you can go through, and you can go through all these buttons around the interface all the way to the side, down here at the bottom. And don't forget about the main working horse right here to click these icons here in the 2 panel. Alright, and a real quick overview, back to the learning course, and little overview one more time is basically click a button to take you to a video, and it's simple as that. And you can go full screen if you want to go on right here if you want to. And I think this is pretty much going to wrap it up, and thank you very much.